So in Madhurarati, because it's a beautiful word to describe Madhurarati, because Radha and Krishna's hearts are so fully decorated with attachment and oneness and love for each other that there's no other word to describe their expression or their type of Madhurya love, the amorous, intimate love between the lover and beloved. And so Sringarati is such a perfect word because Krishna is Rasaraj and Radharani is Mahabhav. So Jiva is explaining it's a combination, opposite ends, or I said opposite ends of the spectrum of loving mellows. The lowest side of Shantaras, which is awe, respect, reverence, and some distance and formality, and Sringar Rati, which is the opposite side, complete amorous intimacy, heart to heart, fully confidential, divine erotic love of Krishna and his Shaktis, his Nija Shakti, Nija Rupataya, Nija Rupataya Kalabi. Brahma Samhita, Lord Brahma says, Nija Rupa Kalabi, Nija Rupataya Kalabi. Kalabi means expansions of Nija, my own Rupam. So that's why the analogy that's used by Shukamuni in the Rasa dance, that Krishna is dancing with the gopis, is like a man dancing with his shadow. If you live in a room and you can take a desk lamp and put it on the desk and focus it up like this, so it shoots vertically, horizontally across the room towards a wall, and that will create. When you dance in front of that light, then there'll be a shadow on the wall. You could follow your shadow. There's a shadow chaya, so you could dance. And so they compare. They say the gopis are Krishna's chaya. It's like Vastu and Rupam. So he is the source of the chaya is the sun planet. So Krishna Surya Sama Mayahaya Andakara. Krishna Surya Sama Mayahaya Andakara. It's in Chaitanya Charitamrita. It says that Krishna is brilliant like the sun. He's equal to the sun. And Radharani is his shadow. So there's no impropriety, there's no immorality. He's not dancing. If someone's dancing with their shadow, they won't get arrested. It's not illegal. It's not against the law. Somebody may think you're a little cracked, crazy, but so Krishna's gopis are his own. They're his own expansions. So this is the point that Sri Jiva Goswami explains this point. They're heart-to-heart, fully confidential, divine and transcendental erotic love relationship with Krishna. That's the gopis. In Priti Sandarbha, in number 182 and 199, we found, he said, because in the Priti Sandarbha and Bhakti Sandarbha, oftentimes Sri Jiva Goswami is commenting on different verses of the Bhagavatam, and often the 10th canto. Whereas in his Lagu Vaishnav Toshani, his commentary on the Bhagavatam, 10th canto, when you look at that verse, there's a different commentary. So he has commentaries on the same verse in the Sandarbhas and then different in the Bhagavatam. So it's nice to kind of search around and collect them all in one place. So we did that. So he says the words of this verse, 10th canto, chapter 29, verse 31, they show the Brajagopis combining the two rasas of Shant and Shringar. And the English translation was passive adoration. Passive adoration is Shant, and Shringarati is passionate, erotic love. That's understood easily by all.